Hey Double Dip babes, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove dip powder or acrylic nails. I do have short nails on my left hand and long nails on my right hand. The color that I'm currently wearing is number 23, which is called Nude. I'm going to be showing you two different methods of removal in this video. The products that you're going to be needing for your acrylic or dip powder removal is going to be the professional grade cuticle pusher, the dip powder and acrylic removal soak off clips, the soak off bowl removal system, I'm going to be using a 100/180 grit hand file, some nail clippers, a cotton round, and number 6, which is the cuticle oil. The first method that I'm going to be showing you is with the soak off clips. I am going to be doing this on my short nails, but if you have long nails, you do want to go ahead and take your nail clippers and cut down the length. I'm going to start by taking the hand file and I'm going to file off the top coat. When you do this step, you can file off some of the dip powder, and this will reduce the time that you have to spend soaking your nails with the clips. After all of my nails are filed, I'm going to take the cotton round and I'm going to cut it up into smaller pieces. Then I'm going to take one of the pieces of cotton and I'm going to soak it in acetone. I'm going to place that cotton pad on my nail and then place the soak off clip on the tip of my finger. I'm going to repeat the same step for all of my other nails. When you do this step, you want to make sure to fully saturate the cotton pad or it will not remove your dip powder. After all of these soak off clips are applied to my nails, I am going to sit and wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of waiting, I am going to remove the clip and the cotton pad. I'm going to take the professional grade cuticle pusher and I'm going to gently scrape up some of the dip powder. You may have trouble scraping up some of the dip powder. This could be because you did not saturate your cotton with enough acetone or you did not allow it to sit long enough. So if you're not able to remove all of the acrylic or dip powder from your nail using the cuticle pusher, you may want to repeat this step again. Once you scrape up as much dip powder or acrylic as you can, you then take your hand file and you can buff the surface of your nails. You can also use a buffing block for this step. After I removed all of the dip powder using my hand file, I did go ahead and add a gel top coat to my nails. Once you remove your dip powder or acrylic nails, you want to make sure to rehydrate your skin. I'm going to use Double Dips number 6, which is their cuticle oil. This cuticle oil smells so good and it's very hydrating for your nails. Here are my nails after removing my dip powder. For the second method of dip powder or acrylic removal, I'm going to be using the soak-off bowl. Of course, for this step, I'm going to be removing my long dip powder nails. Since I am wearing the false nail tips, I am going to take my nail clippers and remove all of the extra length. You can look at the back of your nail, find your natural nail growth, and then cut your nail right above it. Cutting down the extra nail length does reduce the time that you have to spend removing your dip powder or acrylic nails. After the length of my nails are cut down, I'm going to take my hand file and I'm going to remove the shiny top coat from my nails. My favorite feature about this soak-off bowl is the clips on the sides. On the bottom container, you want to fill this with hot water. The hot water heats up your acetone and removes your dip powder or acrylic nails a lot faster. After I filled the bottom container with some hot water, I replace the top container and then fill it with acetone. After the acetone is placed in the container, dip your hand into the acetone and then soak your nails for about 10 minutes. After the time is up, remove your nails from the container. Taking your professional grade cuticle pusher, you're going to gently remove some of the dip powder. You do want to be very gentle when doing this step. After removing as much dip powder as you can, you're going to repeat this step until you have no more dip powder left on your nails. How many times you need to do this step just depends how thick your acrylic or dip powder nails are. It also depends how much you file off before soaking your nails. After I've removed all of my dip powder, I'm going to take my buffing block and I'm going to gently buff the surface of my natural nail. I went ahead and added a gel top coat to this hand as well. After removing your nails, you want to make sure to apply cuticle oil to rehydrate your cuticles. This is Double Dips number 6 cuticle oil. And that's how you easily remove your dip powder or acrylic nails using 2 different methods. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos, you can click the boxes and subscribe here to see more from Double Dip. You can also subscribe to my personal nail channel by clicking the circle here.